Hello everyone, Shantae here. I hope you guys are having a great day. So welcome to Saturday Morning Challenge of Friends, where me and Joyce, excuse me, we get together and challenge each other to use our products. Joyce Channel will be in the description bar below. So make sure you go check her out as well. You guys just rate, comment, and show us some love while we continue to challenge each other among friends. All right. I think that's all. Yeah. All right, everybody. I'm back. So we are in full blown holiday mode. Well, at least for me, I do it year round, but especially this time of the year. All right. So again, this week we just decided to just do whatever we wanted to do. And yeah, so I use this honeybee double stitched swear dies. I don't know the name of them, but they was free when I placed in large order with them. They sent them free, so I was grateful for those. I use this Impression Obsession die, poinsettia die. And then I pulled out an old kit that I bought from, I want to say it was Creating and Craft years and years ago. I want to say Jamie, Poet Spice, she did a haul and showed the kids, and I went and got them, and I never used them. And this one was the Very Merry Christmas pad. I used the ephemera to go with that, as well as the enamel dots. So what I did, I only have one project, one thing that I made, but it was involved, at least for me. And then plus so much going on, I waited till I ended up doing this at the last minute. I forget what she called this, but I will link her channel in the description bar below. She's Sam. She's a designer for Craft Stash. This is the tutorial from her that I followed. But Sizzix had a die, and I still actually own it, that will make the same thing, but I like this size because it's bigger. So here's the front. She called it like an interlocking card, I think. But you can see where I did the poinsettia. The base is that American Craft, I think, cardstock we all got from Craft Fancy. So we bought several of those at a really good price from Expo, and so that's the base. So I just popped up a piece out of the collection and used part of the sticker. So I'm gonna have to zoom out because the card is big. So you open up, it does like so. So let me zoom out. You technically could be, an album, because the 61 was an album. You can do make this for pictures and stuff like that. So y'all gonna see all the stuff on around my desk. But like I said, it will stand like that. Okay. And so in the front, I just matted the papers and took pieces of the ephemera to put on the inside of this long card. So this one say Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. You can see the deer, Christmas tree, the happy holidays, all is bright, silent night, holy night, joy. And I do not use a lot of ephemera pieces for whatever reason, just like with stickers. So I'm really digging using these stickers and ephemera pieces lately. I don't know why it's just not clicking, but I'm glad it didn't click. And here's the back. I just did the front and the back, and the inside page is the same because I like cohesiveness. Now, I didn't do anything to the back, but I'm thinking that maybe I should add some paper in the back. The only thing that I do not like about mine is, these is just bare. On hers, you'll see hers is beautiful because she used this die that will cut out the outer edges, but I didn't have one or one that I could think of, because I have a lot of dies and I just didn't have time to search through them all. Sometimes I think I don't have something, then I realize later after the fact that I actually did. But when you own a lot of dies, it just be horrible at times. So I love the way this turned out. Like I said, it took me a couple of hours to do. So yeah, so I love the way that it turned out, and I already know this will be expensive to mail. So this will be one of those cards or pieces or whatever you want to call it that I will have to send to someone that I'm sending something else with, because this will be $3 or $4 to mail, because it's 5 3/4 by itself. But like I said, I love the floating. I love how it floats and how it looks like that. It is not hard to make at all. But yeah, I just, you know how I watched the tutorial 3 or 4 times and I still made a mistake. But yeah. But I love the way that it turned out. And if I decide to send it to someone, I probably would just put some of the pattern paper on the back, just so from the back side it'll look you know, cohesive. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I can't wait to see what Joyce made for us to view on today. So y'all make sure y'all check her out. And we'll be back with another Saturday morning Challenge Your Friends. Bye, guys. Thanks so much for watching and your support.